Okay everyone, this is the floating tap water feature. I'm showing you it now before it goes into the ground to show you the illusion. The tap is not connected to anything and yet the water is pouring. So I'm going to explain how we did this. So this is going to sit inside a rockery, and the reservoir is going to be hidden under the ground. So we're going to dig a 9-inch hole and put that in, and it's going to be disguised with rocks. The grill on the top is going to be covered with river pebbles, so you can't see actually what's going on. And then we have an acrylic tube and a tap. So you can make this whole thing for under, I would say, 40 quid. So we bought a brand new flower pot with no holes in it, so that was a tenner. The acrylic tube was about 2 quid off Amazon. The tap, unfortunately over here in France, these are expensive, but you can use an old tap, so it's good for recycling. This one cost us a tenner. And the pump is a 500 litre pump, and you can buy these in a garden centre, fountain pump, for a small pond for about 20-25 quid. So basically you put your pump in, balanced slightly up from the bottom so it doesn't collect any sludge. You've got your grill to stop any stones or gravel. You could put a fine mesh on the top and cover it with smaller gravel. Acrylic tube and tap. Now you will need electric for your pump, so you will need a waterproof plug, which we haven't put on yet, and that will be housed in a waterproof junction box. And you can see now that this bed that was actually a traffic island, believe it or not, is now a thing of beauty. Got a few river pebbles, turn some of the rockery stones up on their side, planted a couple of plants that have grown from cuttings or seeds or split, and these should mature nicely. So these are self-seeded love in a midst, and they're blue and white ones. And then because the vantage point is from our veranda, when these turn into seed heads, I'll pick them and sprinkle them round the back because they've got the height there, so that we can enjoy the view of the tap. And if we want to sit out in twilight, I've bought a little cheap $1.99 solar light, which will highlight that, and the electrical junction box and cabling are hidden here. And we've got a remote control to control when we want it on. So there you are guys, cheap and cheerful.